Creating deepfake in nowadays is not a big deal. And today in this video we are going to use free resources given by Google Colab and first order motion model in order to create deepfake of Mr. Bean, my favorite cartoon character. And this is the deepfake of Mr. Bean which we are going to receive after this video. Alright, so without wasting more time, let's jump into the video itself. Okay, so first of all, move in the description and open this Colab notebook link. Once you are on this page, click on connect and make sure you have GPU runtime. Once everything is ready, click on play button in the first cell, then it will ask you for some permission, give everything okay and run this cell. Alright, now come to second cell and just run this cell. Alright, now it's time to connect your Google Drive with this notebook. Just click on play button in the third cell, then it will going to give you a link. Just open this link and sign in with your current account as the same as the notebook account. And once you click on it, click on allow and just copy the code given by this link and paste that code over to the cell input field. After pasting the code, click enter and everything is fine. And now go to the below link which says add folder, open this in new tab and make sure Google Drive is logged in with same account as notebook account. Okay, so after this just right click on voxcpk.pth.tar and click on make a copy, and once the copy creation is completed, then go back to my drive and create a new folder named first order motion model. Make sure the name is same. And now move this copy of voxpth.tar file into the first order motion model. Go inside that folder and rename this file and remove copy of part. And now it's time to download your video and the photo. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this Mr. Bean's image, and the driving video, meaning source video, will be of this Obama's video. Alright, so now just drag both of these image and video to this drive in the first order motion model folder. Make sure all these three files are inside this folder. And now copy the name of this image by clicking on rename and just copy the path and just go back to your notebook, and in place of source image variable under the load driving video and source image section, just replace 02.png with the copied name, and then do the same with the video. Just copy the name of this video and replace this name with reader variable 00.mp4. so that's it. Now just run this cell. Okay, so once you run this cell, you should see video and the image sidewise. This means you are running everything perfectly. Now just go to below section and run this create a model and load checkpoints, and running this cell should not have no output, but it should run without error. Now it's time to create deepfake. Just run the cell, and after the 100% is completed, you should have the deepfake in front of you. Alright, so 100% has been completed and you should have your deepfake in front of you. Now if you are not satisfied with the results of this, just go to below section and run the cell, because this cell generally copies the key points from the video and copy them to the image. So let's go to the below section and run the cell, and let's see how does it makes the difference comparable to the previous one. Alright, so perfect. This time it has copied I think everything from the video to the image. Even the background is, I think, moving. This is I think better than the previous one. Let me know in down comment section what do you think. And this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumb up and keep subscribed for more such awesome content, and I will see you in the next video.